The sky was purple, like the night didn't want to end.
Pulled into a purple sky motel, neon glowing through the rain. Every room looked occupied by somebody hiding pain. Left my keys beside the lamp, dropped my jacket on the chair. Silence filled the empty room like somebody else was there. Every faded picture frame, every crack along the wall looked like they had heard 100 stories before mine at all. Purple skies don't judge nobody. They just wait until you breathe. Purple sky motel with broken hearts check in. Steel guitar keeps crying while the night west in. Saxophone keeps praying through the motel glow. Maybe healing finds us where nobody wants to go. Purple sky motel. Hold on. Purple sky motel. Don't let me lose my soul. Thought I saw my younger self standing by the ice machine, smiling like he didn't know how hard life could really be. Coffee from the lobby, burned but tasted right. Funny how the smallest things can help you through the night. Outside 18-wheelers kept rolling through the rain. Every passing headlight looked like hope with another name. Maybe every traveler needs one quiet place to finally meet the stranger in the mirror's face. Morning's almost breaking, so was yesterday. Purple sky motel with broken hearts check in. Steel guitar keeps crying while the night wears thin. Saxophone keeps praying through the motel glow. Maybe healing finds us where nobody wants to go. Purple sky motel. Hold on. Purple sky motel. I'm finally coming home. I'm still. Some nights you don't find the answer. You just find enough peace to keep driving. breaks the blue. Purple sky motel, maybe it broke me just enough to make me new.